Hey gang, Jose with Homeboats and Travel, bringing you another walkthrough of the beautiful Jeanneau 349. Let's check it out. So folks, thank you so much for watching. That concludes our walkthrough of this beautiful boat. The price on this boat is $319,155. And if you are ready to buy and you contact me at the number below, we have some discounts that we can offer you on this beautiful boat. With that, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on the next episode.